essentials for your project handover? Hello everyone, my name is Isha Taneja and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Compare Infosystem. In this video, we will discuss what are the essentials for the project handover. Number one is the project documentation. This is very important to provide documentation during your handover sessions. Number two is KT sessions. KT is basically the knowledge transfer session. So the other person or the team can take up the responsibility if they have encountered any errors or in case they want to change anything. Number third is the code base ownership. You need to transfer the code base ownership or share the code base with your other team or the members. This is very important. It can be through the Git or any other systems. Number fourth is accounts and the credential ownership. You need to transfer the accounts. For example, Snowflakes, if you're using that DB or any other DB, you should transfer to the other team member. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment in the below section. Thank you. See you in next video.